Today we're tackling a question that I hear all the time and that I asked myself once. Can girls do muscle-ups? The answer? Yes, we can! Women of all ages and backgrounds around the world are proving that muscle-ups are achievable, and you best believe it's possible for you too. In this video, I want to share with you 4 inspiring examples of girls who are absolutely crushing muscle-ups. Before we get into the examples, let's talk numbers. Did you know that less than 1% of the world's population can do one single muscle? We need to pump those numbers up! This highlights just how unique and challenging the muscle-up really is. It might be rare, but it's definitely achievable with the right strength and skill training. If you want a program to get your first muscle-up, check out my free guide in the description that will get you from 0 to 1. Is the muscle-up harder for girls? Generally, yes. However, let's get this clear. The muscle-up is an incredibly challenging exercise for almost anyone. No matter your current strength, gender, level of fitness, or other factors, the path to the muscle-up is the same. With focused training and dedication, you can build the necessary strength and skill to achieve your first muscle-up. Let me share a bit about my journey. I struggled with muscle-ups for a long time, but with persistence and the right training plan, I finally achieved it. This journey taught me that anyone, regardless of gender, especially girls, can achieve a muscle-up. Now, let's get inspired by some incredible girls who have conquered the muscle-up. Inspiration number 1, Nadine. Nadine is a world champion street lifter who currently holds world records for the heaviest 1 rep max, chin-ups, dips, and muscle-ups. Nadine has been and continues to be a huge source of inspiration for me. Girl crush! Seeing Nadine perform the strictest bar muscle-ups completely shifted my mindset from thinking it was impossible to holy shit, this is achievable. Nadine proves that women can excel at muscle-ups and push beyond the status quo. Her relentless pursuit to becoming her best encourages other girls to redefine what's possible. Inspiration number 2, Summer. Summer is a master of all things calisthenics, making the most complex and advanced movements look effortless. She was the first girl who I saw doing a calisthenics muscle-up, and she helped me believe it was possible. Despite people telling her that she would never be able to achieve a pull-up, let alone a muscle-up, she redefined her own limits and proved them wrong. Her journey is a testament to the power of self-belief and perseverance. Summer is also a huge advocate for female empowerment, challenging societal norms around how we think and how we talk about women and fitness. It's super badass. Inspiration number 3, Meghan. Meghan is an incredible athlete, known for her strength and expertise in pull-ups and muscle-ups. Despite injuries from a bad car accident and starting her muscle-up journey later in life, Meghan proves that age is just a number. The dedication and hard work that she has put in to achieving her first ever muscle-up is truly inspiring. And her slow muscle-up game is next level. Inspiration number 4, Emika. Emika is a young powerhouse, making waves on social media with her impressive muscle-ups. Watching her practice and improve from such a young age is so inspiring. Emika shows us that you can never be too young to start your fitness journey and be an absolute badass. So, can girls do muscle-ups? Absolutely! These girls prove that with dedication, strength training, and the right mindset, muscle-ups are possible. If you're ready to start your muscle-up journey, don't forget you can check out my free how-to guide in the description below. Let me know in the comments which story resonates with you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Keep redefining what you are capable of achieving, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!